fight of the century between Pacquiao and Mayweather ended not so long ago. It's funny, it seems as though once in a while the world gets together to take some sort of interest in boxing. But there are actual fanatics of the sport right here in Aruba, and a former referee from the United States was present to provide them with updates regarding the sport. ATV sports broadcaster Kadochi Ka caught up with the former referee. Ray Silvas has dedicated a large part of his life to boxing. Presentation to the boxers of Aruba was carefully crafted to have it apply to the athletes.
And I tried to encourage questions to customize it to the need of the area. And yes, they asked a lot of good questions, and so we personalized the seminar.
A lot of new rules in amateur boxing?
Not the rule change that happened in February didn't have that many rule changes. Maybe 2 or 3 that affect the work of the referees and judges, but right now not too many rule changes, just minor.
There are new rules and regulations that has recently surfaced, in which Ray included into his presentation.
Well, that rule also changed for the better of boxing. There's no protest, but the supervisor can still intervene if there's a situation that he feels, let's say that a referee did something that was totally contrary to the rules of boxing, then he can hold a meeting and review the videos, and if it requires to overturn the decision, then that can be done.
Remember, a boxing match isn't only between the two with the gloves on, but the referee plays an integral part as well.
Very important person. He must be very alert on what's going on and see the actions of the referee. Correct.